Hello friends, this is Digital Karthik and welcome to my channel Digital Marketing Mind. So thank you so much. बहुत सारे लोग ने मैसेज किया कि आपका वीडियो कब आने वाला है एंड आल्सो बिग सॉरी टू ऑल बिकॉज बहुत दिनों के बाद मैं वीडियो डाल रहा हूँ। उसका रीज़न ये है कि बहुत सारे मेरे जो एसईओ के प्रोजेक्ट है वो पेंडिंग में थे, लेकिन अब मैंने उसको कंप्लीट किया है एंड अब रेगुलर वीडियो आने वाले हैं। मतलब इंस्टाग्राम मार्केटिंग सीरीज जो हमने चालू की थी वो फास्ट अब बनने वाले हैं वीडियो एंड आपको मिलने वाले हैं। So the topic for today video is that niche and sub niche. I will explain you each and every part that why niche and sub niche is very important for affiliate marketing. So I will give you 5 trending niche plus I will give 10 plus sub niche that you can target and you can earn from the niche. Look, it's a very simple thing that if your niche is not a trending list, then you will not grow your audience, right? And also plus you will not grow your sales, right? So first of all, you have to select the niche that is trending niche, and also you have to target one sub niche and you can earn from that. So I will also tell you how you can earn from each and every niche, because there are a lot of people they know how to grow but they don't know how to sell out. So I will give you options that how you can earn from that. The first video was about the why Instagram is best for affiliate marketing, and this is the second video about the Instagram marketing series, and this is about sub niche and niche. So why this topic is important, that I will tell you one thing. If you see in a group, right, for example in OK Ankit group or my group Digistore 24 affiliate marketing group, 90% of people are actually working on one niche. I don't understand why they are working on one niche. Why? And because of this there is increase in competition and there is not getting any sale. मतलब बहुत सारे लोग काम कर रहे हैं लेकिन उनको सेल नहीं मिल रही। मतलब क्या कर रहे हो आप? मतलब ऐसे क्यों कर आप? एक्चुअली आपको अपना जो टाइम होता है जो आप वेस्ट कर रहे हो। वाई यू आर नॉट टारगेटिंग द अदर नीच? सो दिस इज़ फॉर देम बेसिकली, बिकॉज सब लोग 90% लोग दे आर ओनली वर्किंग ऑन वन नीच and they are also selling the same products. So why you are doing this? I don't understand this point. So please watch this video and please think that what you can do, which niche you can select, and which sub niche you can target to get the sale. So let's start this video. So hello friends, so we will start this video. So as you know, today the topic is very different and this is very basic topic, right? So we will start with this and I will be sharing all notes on this notepad. So keep these notes to you so you will not forget the things. And this is finding niche profitable, right? Okay, the finding the right niche is the most important decision, right, that you need to make, and this is what determines how fast your page will grow and how much you can earn from it. So this is very important point, the niche. So the main thing you need to take consideration is that when you choose your niche, that niche should be like your interest. You should love what you think or you do, right? So you should love what you are doing, so that will actually give you a plus point in increasing your followers or growing your Instagram account. So how you can monetize, right? So I will give you 3 points, that there are mainly 3 points that you can use to monetize your account. So first is you can earn by shoutouts, right? If you have grown your account very well with 10k followers or 5k or 500k 50k, right, you can DM to the small growing accounts. So they can pay you, and if you can market their account, right? And this is also a big business and you get a lot of on this. Second is affiliate marketing that we do, that I do basically more thing that you know what is affiliate marketing, so I don't need to tell you all this, right? And third point is sell your own products. If you have your own products, you can sell on the Instagram, right? So these are three main points. First point is shoutouts. Second point is affiliate marketing. Third point is sell own product. So this is very important, right? PRO products, right? Okay. So these are the basic things that you can earn from it. Again, in further seen in this video, I will give you all details, right? So most profitable niche, I will start now. Most profitable niche, right? First, what I think and what I get on doing a lot of research. First niche is motivational quotes. So this is like a giant niche, right? And evergreen niche. Evergreen niche. So motivational quote niche is a sub niche of a self-help, right? Sub niche, and it is one of the most profitable niche. It's the most profitable niche. Can you imagine this? Most profitable niche, and you can easily grow and you can earn from this niche. Okay, so this is the most profitable niche to make money. Most profitable niche and easy to grow. This is very easy to grow. Right? Very easy to grow. If you are working for 6 months on this niche, you will get thousands of followers, 10,000. I guarantee that you will get easily. So this is about motivational quotes. And how to make money from this, how to make money from this niche, right? First is selling shoutouts to other quotes page. So this is again one thing. Do sponsor post for branding. So do sponsored post for branding. Third is affiliate marketing, you know, right? Sell your own product. Fourth is sell your own product. Sell own product. If you are a owner of a product, then you can directly sell here. So that is also a good thing. Own product. Again, we can do affiliate marketing, sell own product, then sell coaching calls. I also started this. Sell coaching calls. Sell make money products. Sell make money product. Sell make money product. Sell ebooks. Sell motivational products, right? Sell motivational products. So these are the things that you can do with the one niche. So I will give some points in the last part. So this was the first niche. I will go to the second niche, right? So second niche is, which is very important niche. It is health. You know this niche, right? A lot of people are working on this niche. I know this. But this comes in second niche. So look, everyone in this world are concerned about their health, right? And physical, mental, emotional, or fitness to some extent. So they are actually concerned about their health. So people always want to know that on and know that they want to stay healthy, and they actually set their dream body that okay, this type my body should be, or my mental health should be. So they follow the Instagram account to share their tips and to tricks to get the body, to get the muscle, all to keep body fitness and all. So this is very important niche, and and this niche is evergreen niche. Evergreen niche. Evergreen niche. So this is evergreen niche. Shit man, typing is not good. Okay, this is evergreen niche. So what are the sub niche that you can work on? Okay, so what are these sub niche? I will tell you all this. Okay, sub niche, there are actually 10 sub niche that you can actually target in this giant niche, that is health and fitness, right? So in this first I will take a weight loss and weight loss gain, right? Weight loss or gain. Second point is yoga, right? Yoga also is a big niche. It's again a sub niche. Third is diet. Yes, diet is also important niche, because a lot of people actually following diets, right, to regain their body shape and all, right? So bodybuilding and all. So diet is also very important point. Fourth point I will take what it was bodybuilding, right? As I said, bodybuilding. Fifth is like mental health is also very important. Mental health is very important, and this is also. So on this niche you will get a lot of Instagram page on Instagram, right? So just you don't know the things, right? So you think that there is only one niche to target on health and fitness, that is weight loss and weight gain. About 90% people on our Facebook group, they all people work on health niche. That is a good niche, right? You can work, but there are also sub niche, and 90% of people are actually working on one sub niche, that is weight loss or weight gain. Actually 80% are working on weight loss, and some are 5 to 10% are working on a weight gain. So they don't know this niche, sub niche, that is diet niche, yoga niche, mental niche. Again I will add some niche on this. Sixth niche will be men's health is also a different niche, and you will get thousands of followers and audience on this, right? Seventh is again women niche. Seventh point is women niche, right? Yeah. Eighth point. See, these all are the come under both sections, right? Men and women. But in specific, if you target men's health, again there are a lot of things that you have to focus, right? Again, the eighth niche I will give is that nutrition. Nutrition again very important niche. Ninth niche is spiritual health. You know that spiritual health, meditation and all. This is also a big niche. Earn lot on this, right? Earning good. So 10th niche is, as I said, I will give 10 points, right? 10 is workout niche. So these are basically sub niches of health and fitness. This all. And again I will say, if you work on single niche, you can earn a lot on this, right? How to make money from this, right? How to make, right? How to make money from this. So how to make money, right, from this niche. So basically these are the actual same points come, and yeah, but I will write in a different way so that you will get it right. So you can sell products and services, right? So services, selling, okay, service and second point I will go on this is that do sponsored post, do sponsored post. Don't mind the spelling because I am doing in a fast way. So then you can promote the wares, right? Brands, the supplement, gyms, right? So I will write all things, right? It will take time to write and all, but these are very important points to start on Instagram, right? So you can promote the products that like promote, right? Wares you can promote, right? Wares, branding, brands and all. Supplements you can sell out, supplements, and you can do gym products and wear, gym wears, you know these wears, right? Sportswear, right? These are actually a lot of big business, right? Fourth point I will take on this, what it was, yes, it was selling training program. This selling training program is also very important point. Training program. So this is also important point, right? Selling training program. You can sell the workouts, right? Training program, right? Again, some points we can say, again I will not write, but I would say the sponsor post. So these are the main 4 points you can do on this niche, health and fitness niche, and these are the sub niche. So you can target any one of these, and you can start doing this. So we'll go to third niche. So now we will start the third niche. So what is the third niche? I will be explaining to you, right? Yeah. So third niche is this is also a evergreen niche. Okay, this is a make money products, or we can say it also comes in a business. Okay. So everyone wants money to live a luxurious life, and it is also a evergreen niche. And what we have to do is that okay, so basically in this niche, this is a trick to grow the Instagram. Okay, what we have to do to grow the channel or to grow this page is that we have to provide the free value, and the followers. Okay, and what they will more likely actually buy the products which you will recommend, right? So this is a simple trick that you should do to grow your Instagram account. See, what we have to do is that provide the free value to your followers, and they will more likely to buy your products or make money products, and means whatever would be the product they will buy from you. Again, one point I have to mention is that that giving free value, what gives you? So giving free value, what it gives is that it builds the trust. So this is a big point. Build trust and reputation. Okay, so this is a big point. Building trust and reputation with the customers or with the followers, right? So that will give you a sale. So this is what I do in my affiliate marketing business, and I get sales, right? So this is building trust and reputation is very important. So again, there are a lot of sub niches from this niche is that Yes. So first is the e-commerce, right? Business, e-commerce. Second is marketing business, real estate business, right? Real estate business, entrepreneurship, entrepreneurship. So in entrepreneurship is blogging, and I can add stocks. Then I can add cryptocurrency, that is going good now. Cryptocurrency, online jobs. Again, I can add a business tip page. Yes, business tip page, business tip, startup business, any, right? Startup business. So these are the mainly sub niche of money making products, right? Of giant niche. So basically there are thousands of pages, but out of them on Instagram there are 15 to 20 pages that are grown in a best way, right? So these are the sub niche that you can work on. And how we can earn from business, how we can earn from this. Okay, so basically there are 4 points from this that I can assure that you can get sell from this, right? So first is very simple, right? That is sell your own products, right? Sell your own digital products. For example, we can say online courses, right? And now thousands of people are doing the same digital product you can sell. Again, I can say promote any business, right? Promote business and take money from them. Just market the business, right? Promote business, or we can say affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing you can do. Affiliate marketing you can do. Again, affiliate marketing, yes. Again, what you can offer, yes, consultation, yes. Paid consultancy, you can say paid consultation, yes. Consultation you can do. Again, what is selling ebooks, that's also good business in this niche. So these are the 5 points that you can earn from this niche, right? So we will go to the fourth niche. What with the fourth niche, right? Yeah, fourth niche is the beauty niche. See, a lot of people in these groups are females, and I think these females don't know the potential of this niche, beauty niche. This is also a very big niche, very giant niche, and you can earn a lot of $1,000 from this niche also. So okay, so see, on demographics of Instagram, if you study it, right, what you get is that females are more in percent than men, right? So why don't target this female, right? Because your audience, billion audience, right? So demography of Instagram is primarily females, and most females are interested in beauty niche. So this is a big thing, right? And beauty influencers make a lot of money by receiving products, sharing tips and tutorials and more, right? So again, this is a big thing, right? So sub niches that you can work on, this sub niche that you can work is that I think that there are only 3 from my point of view. That what I studied is that makeup is also a nice page, right? It's how to make a proper way, and there are lots of things, right? Makeup, then hairs is again big thing, and skincare products, right? Skincare. So these are 3 points that it come under beauty niche, and you can target this sub niche very nicely. And female who are interested in this, they actually buy from there, right? So this is a plus point. How we can make money from this. I will put this in short form, right? HWCMF50. Okay, how we can make money in this niche? Sell shoutouts, right? This is again big thing. And to other beauty pages, right? And do sponsored posts, sponsored post you can do it nicely. Again, cosmetic products you can sell. Cosmetics products you can sell, right? The product you can sell online, right? Again, promote service you can, right? Promotion, or we can say promote service you offer. In for example, if you have a parlor, you can put your page in the name of that parlor, and you can brand that parlor as a big thing, and one day it will be a brand, and yes, and you will get a lot of clients from there, right? Again, what you can say, sell the beauty products as an affiliate. Yes, affiliate marketing also a big thing in this. Affiliate marketing actually comes in every niche, because there are thousands of products in every niche, right? So if you are referring to other person with an affiliate link, and if they buy the product, then you will get the commission. So that's a very simple thing about affiliate marketing. Okay, so these are the things you can do by this niche. Again, what you can do is that sell your own product, right? Sell your own product. Again, also if you have a product, right, or you can sell directly from your page also. Then again, share tips, right? Actually, it also comes in paid consultancy. We can say paid consultant. So these are the big things that you can do by this niche. Then fifth niche, I would say, is a relationship, right? Self-help. Again, there are a lot of people in this group actually working on this. Fifth, I will go with relationship products. So what we can do here is that yes, sub niche that you get here is that I will go fast now because I'm taking too much of time, so the video will be long, so I will go faster. Friends is also niche here. You can say business niche. Yes, business page can be done here. In marriage, in parenting, then relationship tips you can give, right? See, there are a lot of problems go, right? Actually is there, and everybody actually going to actually find the problems solution, right? So relationship tips you can give, and yeah, love images and all, people like this a lot. Relationship healthcare, relationship health care, we can say. Dating advices. Yes, advice. I have a page of dating advice, so it is grown very very goodly, right? Very good, right? So how you can earn from this niche again, right? How you can earn from this niche, right? How you can earn from this niche. So again, the same thing, so I will tell you, right? Basically I will not tell you the same, right? Okay, again, promote affiliate products. You can do affiliate products you can do. Again, what you can do is sell online courses, right? Again, you can sell online courses. Online course you can sell. Then what you can do is sell dating guides. You you can sell dating guides, and this content you can get freely from internet, right? But if you have get any issue of copyright, then that would be the problem. So affiliate links actually works on Instagram more than anything else. Guides you can work on. Again, booking on live show and podcast, you can do booking on live show or podcast. Yes. So this is also very important point, that booking show on to Instagram. Yes, consultancy, as I said, paid consultancy is also a huge part of my business. I do paid consultancy in digital marketing field, so I earn a lot from that paid consultancy. Okay, and also I have page on, and I get a lot of calls from these Instagram pages and all. Again, on the 6th niche, I will go fast. Okay, 6th niche, I will tell animal lover, right? Animal. Okay, so what you can do is that everyone loves animal, right? Pets and all. And if you're targeting specifically out of India, right, countries, for example USA, Australia, European countries, the main thing is that the people from these countries actually love animals more than people, right? So animal, pets and all is very important niche if you're targeting there. So I will suggest work on this, because the people in USA, 70% of people in USA have pets, so they take care of their pets morely like people, I think more than people. So basically they buy their clothes, their products online. So again, this is big thing, right? So pets and all. So what you can do, sell products. You can sell products to pet owners which make their pets life better. So there are lots of products, such things. So you can sell by making an Instagram page, or you can give an affiliate link on this products to pet owners, right? Just make a page on pet animal niche and just put some work for 6 months. You will grow your account, and you will get a proper way clients from there, right? Make their pet life better. Then what you can do in this niche is just sell shoutouts. So you can, it's the common thing, right? Sell shoutouts. Again, sell dog clothes and cat clothes and pet clothes. I can say dog, cat clothes, right? So this is also very costly clothes, right? Clothes, pet clothes, I can say pet clothes. I will write here. Pet clothes, I can then their beds and all. Beds, grooming products is also very important, very costly products. Grooming products. See, the people from those countries actually groom their pets, right, to keep them clean and healthy. So this also very important. The breeding tips and all. Breed tips. Animal health service, right? Animal health services you can provide. Animal health service. See, start this page with good knowledge. If you don't have any knowledge, don't start this page, right? So be an expert of your niche. Study for 1 month about the niche and give you your best. So that is what I will advise to start with it, right?